Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to spawn the RIP Indra fast. Okay, so first and foremost, on the first C here, you're going to need to go to the leeward side where you'll meet the this is the landmark right here, basically the dragon. So after the dragon, the water dragon, just continue forth straight ahead, and yeah, just basically as long as the city is behind you, that means you're going the right direction. So just keep on going, keep on paddling, and yeah, do whatever it means. So once you finally reach the island, you can finally successfully spawn the Indra. So here it is. It takes a lot of time to actually find this on live playing, but with time and effort you'll go find it there. So here it is. So I certainly hope that this video has been any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.